Hello friends, for intraday trading today I have selected Axis Bank, and reason for selection of Axis Bank I have actually taken from the dominant pressure in this stock, and that is as of now it is visible as buying. As you can see, steps are actually created. This 1 minute head and shoulders pattern, and it was again tested over here. Again price has started going up. So dominating pressure has been shifted from selling to buying, and creation of this head and shoulders patterns. This is the second reason. Third reason is that market, that means Nifty. Let me go to the Nifty chart, that will be much more clearer for you. So here, let me make it on daily time frame. So why market is actually in range bound? Why, you can see here, this is the range that market has drawn, and if we will extend it till here, we will get a clear idea why market is behaving like a classical sideways market from last week. So if market go beyond this, that is below this level, then we can actually we can get a downtrend movement, and if it started taking pullback over here, then we can actually uh, witness an uptrend. So this is the main reason why market is in range bound from the last week, and still I think it is in continuous range bound market. So after the breakout and sustaining above this, we can expect a trendy market. Till then we can expect this kind of market. So considering this, I have taken trade in Axis Bank because I was not sure, because uh, whether buyers are still there in this stock or not. So here we cannot short, because this is the real time or daily demand zone. In daily demand zone we cannot afford to sell the stock in intraday. So we can wait for a buying opportunity over here. As I know, most of the stocks in the morning has given us a short setup. But if you understand, if you go and analyze the chart of the same stock on daily time frame, then you will come to know that yes, stock is in daily demand zone. So we should look for a long setup, not for the sell setup, because only that way we can get in the profitable uh, side. So let me make it in 5 minute time frame. So okay, so this is the region. I actually, and also most actually confirmative things over here is that price was sustaining above this level. So it is also a kind of a positivity where I can rely or trust that price will be heading in the upward directions. So after first candle, where we can see huge rejection from the upper side here, huge rejection, market was in red. So after huge rejection, still price was able to close above this level, and you can say fight of the bulls and bears over here. And this is the engulfing, bullish engulfing pattern we have got on the actually previous resistance. Now it is acting as a support zone. So after this, once the high of this particular candle was, first candle was broken, I have made my entry over there with the stop loss actually near about here. So not even I have got 1:1 risk reward ratio, but still I'm in the profit. If I have stayed over here, then I may be in till 315. I may have booked profit, but the market was looking quite uh, uh, sideways. So it is better to at least book your whatever the cost that you have actually given to the market to take the trade of this kind. So ultimately somewhat profit, but only the expenses that uh, was actually uh, occurred while trading the trade I have put. But again, maybe this stock or this uh, kind of market is not for day trading. So in this kind of scenario, we can actually go for even shorter time frame, so we can actually get more handsome risk reward ratio to actually sustain in the market, because it is the phase of market and we have to accept it. So, and no one can do anything about this apart from watching, or you can either watch, or you can go for trade with a different kind of trading style, like those who trade in sideways market. But at that time you have to be very accurate, you have to be very actually sharp, so that you can take the move as much as you can. So this is the today's trade plan, guys. Maybe tomorrow an uptrend we can expect, because price is as of now. Let us see how closing we can how closing market has for today. So it's all depend on that today's closing market closing. So if it will actually close above that level that I have shown in Nifty 50 index, so we can expect, or we can actually anticipate a positive momentum in upward directions. But as of now, fundamentally, there is no any good news who can drive the market in upward directions. So we can see a kind of pullback in the daily demand zone, and in the intraday we can actually witness a good long trade. So this is all about today's trade plan, guys. And the learning lesson over here is that very simple. You have to be with the market. Nothing. You have to be the market. Otherwise, market will leave you. So anyhow, this kind of scenario, try to survive. Do not look the kind of profit that we have booked previously. So this is one of the actually the phase of market we have to accept, and we have to move accordingly. We are the only person who have pushed the market over here, so we have to accept that. So with this note, thank you for watching. uh, Thank you, take care, and bye.